Hello everybody, it's me, Ning 11. Today we're gonna make electric oven roast chicken with this about 1.5 kilo chicken. We just got it from the vendors from the market. We get rid of the lymph of the chicken from its neck. Those lymph are bad for your health. And then we split this chicken. With the edge of the kitchen knife to give it some cut and make the chicken into a whole piece. That is to marinate the chicken. We prepare some vegetables and some onions, some shallots, carrots, and ginger, of course, and garlic. We put all of them into the blender with some water. Okay, we put some Italian herb, some oregano, and together with sugar and 5 spices. And finally, we need some of the red wine to enhance the flavor. Just, about 1 glass. Okay. And don't forget to adjust the saltiness. And we start to put in the chicken. We start the process by wrapping the chicken, and then we bury the chicken underneath the mixture like this, just over the chicken level. Then we leave it for about an hour's time before we can start to roast it. The chicken now has been marinated for enough time, and we take it out. Get rid of the crumbles covering the surface. Rub them off. Some oil on the tin. Now into the oven for the up temperature 220 and lower temperature 190. Blow it for about 45 to 50 minutes. Now we are going to glaze the chicken with some honey. Then go back to the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now we're going to take this chicken, the grilled chicken, out from the oven. Look at that. This is our grilled chicken from the electric oven. Look at that beautiful glaze by the honey and lovely herbal taste.